Hey guys, it's Sabuna here, and today I'm bringing you template number 11. So this is what the template looks like. It is a very simple template with some nice colors and a little accent at the end of the animation. And as you see here, it reverts back and we're back to looping. So it's a very simple template to edit. The link to download it will be in the description, so you can use this tutorial to edit it yourself and upload it to your Steam profile. So the first thing we got to do obviously is change the name. So you can click on any of these layers, white, color 2, color 3. You want to double click it and then you can just change it to whichever name your heart desires. So once you've done that, you go back to the main comp template 11 and you can just play through and you can see it's already changed. But quickly, let's hear from our sponsor. Let me talk about this video's sponsor, the free-to-play hit RPG Raid Shadow Legends. Explore this gorgeous fantasy world all from your mobile device or the newly added PC version with cross-platform play. The HD graphics and the engaging and strategic gameplay will have you hooked for hours at a time. There is so much to do in this game. You can battle against other players, play the lengthy campaign with fantastic voice acting, battle against bosses in dungeons, and so much more. There are so many different ways to level up your champions. There is also a daily login rewards program that has increased from 90 to 180 days. So each day you can claim some awesome rewards like silver, XP, gems, shards, and a free legendary barbarian champion, Skull of the Drake, who also has some badass armor, may I add. I'm playing under the nickname Sabuna_, so I hope to see you guys in the PvP arena. Well, that's where I usually am. So go to the video description and click on the special links, and new players will receive 100,000 silver, 1 energy refill, 50 gems, and even 1 free champion called Executioner, who do be looking kinda fresh though. You will find the extra rewards in your inbox for the next 30 days, so make sure you claim them ASAP. Thank you Raid Shadow Legends for supporting the channel. But if you have a longer name, for example, People Eater, see here that the accent is kind of a bit over the E rather than at the very end. So if you want to change where that is, you just grab this accent with your move tool and you just move it over to where you want it. I'm just going to stick with Arise. Nice and simple. Make sure you line it up. And then there's our animation. The next step is always to go to steam.design and get your background for your animation. So you can either sign in to get your backgrounds, or you can go to the Steam market, find the background you want, click view full size, copy this URL and paste it up here, change background, and there we have it. I only want a regular sized artwork showcase, so I'm going to switch it like that and then click download images. Once it's downloaded, we're going to open it up. We're going to extract the artwork middle to wherever you like. I'm going to extract mine to my desktop, and then we're going to drag it into our template. Then we are going to chuck it underneath here, and as you see, we now have our template with our background all lined up. Now, there are some more features on this template. If we click the colors, we can go to effects controls and we can change the colors. So maybe we want a pink transition instead of a blue one. You can change it to whatever color you like, but I like the ones that I chose from default. Some nice orange and blue, get some contrast in there, looks very nice. Anyways, the next step we're going to do is render. So we go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue, click Lossless, change it to a PNG sequence, click OK. Then navigate to where you want to render it out. I'm just going to render mine in my main folder. I'm going to click Save and Render. While it's rendering, feel free to open up Photoshop for our next step. Once our composition is rendered and we've opened up Photoshop, we're going to go to File, Open, navigate to where you saved your template. So I saved mine in Nathan Template 11. Go into it, click on the first frame, click Image Sequence, Open, and the FPS for this one is 30. So we're going to set that in, go to Window, Timeline, play it through, make sure it's everything you ever wanted in life. So that's looking good to me. I'm going to go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. I'm going to make sure that this is set to GIF. The looping options are set for forever. I'm going to click Save. I'm going to save it to my desktop as Arise Template 11. And now we're going to upload it. So I'm going to go to my profile, go to artwork down here, click upload artwork, not game specific, choose a file. I'm going to choose the template 11, open. You see it's shown up here. Just going to give it a dot and a dot for the title and description, certify that I created it, and click save and continue. And there we are, it's all uploaded and ready to be used on your profile. So go to your profile, edit profile, scroll down, make sure you have your artwork showcase set, and click this button here. And here you can select the most recent image, which will be the one you just uploaded. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoy the template. Stay safe and goodbye.